Hey friends, let's do a quick little dig here into Halo. I'm getting a lot of comments here the past month about talking about the stock. I've been following it, trying to learn more about it, what's going on with it. It's been capturing my attention a lot more, and I think it has the possibility to make people some quick money in the short term and long term. So let's look into that. First things you need to know, the company has been doing great with quarterlies. They've missed a few, but it is very few in between compared to what they've been doing. And they have their next earnings coming up here in August 6th, excuse me, to be exact. So here's the thing right now. A lot of institutions, a lot of big firms are buying up more of this. Some have sold, but what we're coming across when you dig into the filings here, we're seeing more companies buy into it. And the stock, when we look at the chart growth, it's actually really encouraging. Now obviously you want to be buying into a company not based on what the chart looks like. Charts can be deceiving, obviously, but this isn't a hype play, this isn't a FOMO play. This is actually you putting your money into a company that is bringing in money. They're bread and butter. They have achieved it. They're achieving quarterlies, they're achieving status, they are growing a growing institution, a company. And what we're seeing right now, the chart is going to show that and represent that as well. But we're seeing a company that probably within the next year from me talking about this, we could be talking about an $80 to $100 stock. So you could easily be doubling your money right now to where the company is projected to go. A lot of cash on hand, and analysts have just come out, a lot of analysts, and they put their numbers together, and they're putting a buy rating on this. But obviously they're saying too the share price, they think it will reach around $60 to $75 here per share. So I have to be honest, this isn't a stock, a company, something that I usually put my money into. I usually stay away from things like this because they're so just up and down with what they do. But the more I read, the more I dig into this, I'm really becoming kind of obsessed with it. I have to be completely honest with you. So friends, really, I don't want to make this like a long video because I don't know that anybody's even going to watch it. I just want to throw this out there and see, obviously I've had people, like I said, comment, tell me to talk about it, make a video, dig into it myself, and I have, and I'm kind of just, putting my voice out there with what I think about it. I am thinking about slowly making a position in this because I think there's a lot of meat left on the bone for this thing to go. And like I said, even what analysts are saying, and I don't buy things based on what these analysts and these things say like this. I think that's a very dangerous thing to do, to be honest. But when you look at the numbers and you put everything here, and please do your own research. Please don't just don't jump into this just because you're listening to a guy on YouTube talk about this. I'm really just saying this is how I feel, and just responding to a lot of comments that I get weekly, monthly on this thing. So friends, best of luck out there with Halo. Let me know what you're doing, what you think about this. I think this one is going to grow really fast this year, and I think probably by September, October, we could be looking at a $60 to $70 stock here as things go here. If they do, and what it looks like they're going to hit this next quarterly here in August, potentially that is going to really be the big the trigger to really push it into some new numbers here very fast. Friends, take care. Bye-bye.